Now, when we make mistakes, which we will because we are human beings and not robots, and slip back into punishment, then we must make amends. This teaches our children how to recover from a mistake and repairs the relationship.
Can we talk about what happened last night? Is now a good time for you? Mommy got really upset last night, huh? Was that kind of scary for you? It didn't feel good for me either.
Recognize. Acknowledge the mistake. Take responsibility for your actions.
I wanted to take responsibility for yelling last night when I got really upset.
What's yelling?
When I raised my voice and I said, Espen, I'm so upset, go back to bed. Do I ever raise my voice like that sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I did it last night.
Reconcile. Apologize.
And I'm really, really sorry that I did that.
And that hurt me.
It hurt your feelings, huh?
Yeah.
Did it scare you?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Resolve. Find a solution to fix it, rather than blame.
That like that, what do you think? Do you have any ideas of how I can handle it differently?
You can go into my bedroom. I will let you, and you can calm down.
Thank you. Your bedroom is so calming. We like to go into your bedroom for calming down, huh? Next time I'll go and I'll calm myself down so my brain can be ready to fix the problem, okay? Is there something that I can do to make it better? How can I fix it? What do you think?
Kiss me.
Huh?
Kiss me.
Give you a kiss? Okay. Oh, just like
I swear I
Did you knock the pillow down?
Real moments are learning moments.